Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels not loading problem or Reels not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search in Instagram application. Tap on Instagram application. Again tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix Instagram Reels not loading problem or Instagram Reels not working problem. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram apps latest version. You make sure your Instagram apps is updated. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, tap on Wi-Fi connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Step 4. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram not loading problem or Instagram Reels not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.